Hey beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Greyglamma GGM. Today I am going to show you how to make unripe plantain fufu. This is the typical meal of the African people. I'll show you how to do it. It is very easy and fast to make. Before I go further, please don't forget to leave a comment at the end of the video, like and share the video, and subscribe if you have not. Thank you so much. The first thing you have to do is to wash the plantain. I am using 4 medium-sized plantain here, and this is good and enough to serve 2 adults. Wash the plantain, remove the skin, and cut into tiny bits. This is to enable the blending process. If you are blending at home, it is advisable you cut it first into tiny bits. You know, plantain is rich in iron, in fiber, in many vitamins and minerals, and it is good for the management and treatment of anemia, some liver disorders, and then diabetes. So if you have an older person at home, it's good to prepare for him or her plantain fufu. So now that we have the plantain cut into bits, I am going to add a little water to it. So that it can blend very well. Now blend the plantain and pour into a pot. You have to make sure that you are cooking this on medium heat. Don't raise the heat so that it doesn't get lumps. And now you start turning it. Yeah, you have to keep on turning it, because if you don't do it, it will form lumps, and that is not what we want. You keep on turning it. As you are turning it, you notice that it is getting thicker. The consistency is getting thick, so you are on the right path. Just make sure to maintain the heat in medium level. As you can see, it is almost getting cooked. Can you see the consistency? If you maintain the heat on medium level, you will see that your fufu is cooking without the pot getting burned. But if you raise the heat, the pot will burn. Yeah, your fufu will cook, but it will have this taste and smell of burnt, pot. So just maintain it on medium heat, and you have your plantain fufu ready. Easy to make and highly nutritious. Yeah, you can see that it is sticky. It is thick, but even at that, it is still a little bit sticky. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have learned how to make plantain fufu. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, share the video, and subscribe if you have not. You can eat your plantain fufu with your favorite soup. I hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.